Guys, and welcome back to the crypto layer. And in this video I'm gonna be talking about a Japanese exchange that had a glitch that allowed customers to buy free crypto. That's crazy, right? But before I begin, let me remind you guys that I'm giving away $20 of Bitcoin every week, and I'm giving away 0.01 Bitcoin at 1,000 subscribers. So let's hit that subscribe button. So let's start off by looking at the market cap today. Yesterday, the past 2 days, we saw a big increase. We saw the market cap go up to about 500 billion, and that happened a lot faster than I thought. But like I said in my last video, I was expecting a little correction. I was expecting it to go down a little bit, and I'm waiting for the perfect time to invest my money into Bitcoin or any other altcoins right now. But to me, it's a slightly little high. But as you can see, the market's slightly going down right now, and it looks like I'm going to be purchasing Bitcoin or altcoins in the really near future. I'll let you guys know for sure when I do it. But let's take a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin's at 10.7. Yesterday we saw it at like 11.5, almost hitting 12,000 yesterday, which was really crazy. Ethereum back down to about 862. Ripple at 104. Bitcoin Cash going back down to about 1,300. Litecoin's at 212. After Litecoin had a big run up after all that hype of LitePay and all that going up. Cardano still really low, going down to about 36 cents. Neo about 120. See, I'm really into Neo. I want Neo to go down so I can actually buy more of it. Dash out 681. Still really good. So the market, it's all right. It's not the craziest, but I mean, as long as Bitcoin is still above 10,000, like that's pretty good, like. Sorry I cough so much in my videos. It's just my throat. So much talking just gets it dry. But let's begin. So customer tries to withdraw 20 trillion. Listen guys, 20 trillion in crypto exchange glitch. So a system error at a Japanese cryptocurrency exchange saw a user attempt to make it off with a huge amount of Bitcoin. The Zafe exchange, operated by Osaka-based Tech Bureau Corp, saw a brief glitch last week that enabled traders to make crypto purchases for free. For free, guys. Look, right here. For free. As customers realized the situation, a number attempted to make the most of the 20-minute withdrawal window of free coins. One, according to Asahi Shimbun, even placed an order for Bitcoin worth 2,200 trillion yen, $20 trillion at the time, then quickly sell and moving to quickly sell again. So he pretty much had that, and then he sold it. Like, that's wild, like that's one thing. That's the one thing that when you rely on too much technology, like sometimes it doesn't work, and then people like freak out, and stuff like this will happen. Like at least it wasn't a hack, but still, like getting crypto for free, like dude. That's crazy. The firm later canceled the transactions and corrected the user's balance, Asahi indicates. However, the Reuters source suggested that the correction is still being negotiated with one of the 7 users who attempted to make a transfer the free Bitcoin away from the Zaif platform. So he did the trade, and now they're trying to correct it, which is, I don't know, man. Like, the customers aren't going to be happy. Even though, yes, he technically bought it from a glitch, but that was the system's fault. So that's the company's fault, Like, that mistake costed the company $20 trillion. So let's continue. At least one customer attempted to resell their Bitcoin, according to Asahi, but the large amount of cryptocurrency offered soon drew attention, even outside the exchange. The Tech Bureau official reportedly apologized for the glitch and said the whole company would take measures to prevent such problems from reoccurring. The news comes when Japan's exchanges are already under pressure over technical standards after Coincheck's exchange suffered a major attack in January. The country's finance watchdog, the Financial Services Agency, was asked by the government to make inspections at a number of unlicensed exchanges on February 16th to ensure their levels of securities are up to par. And yesterday, a news report suggested a group of cryptocurrency exchanges is teaming up to form a new self-regulatory body in the wake of Coincheck's breach. This is why I really like decentralized exchanges, Like, yeah, I like Binance. I'm all for Binance, but I like decentralized, like kind of like Ether Delta, where like it's no one really owns it. It's just you're trading on the market, like you're trading on the blockchain pretty much. But you see, like if I was the customer, I would have been like, "Yo, like you gotta give me half at least, you know? Like, yeah, it's for free, but still, like it's their fault, not mine, you know." But let me continue with another story here about Venezuela's Petro coin. So Venezuela, you know how like inflated their money is. They're broke and they're trying to rebuild their economy pretty much by making crypto. So they have this new crypto where it's called Petro token, and I'm guessing it's backed by by oil. So let's read this article and find out some more about it. The government of Venezuela published several guides Tuesday in support of its pre-sale for its cryptocurrency, announcing the oil-backed token as a form of legal tender that can be used to pay taxes, fees, and other public needs. The Venezuelan government outlined its plans and expectations for the Petro in a new website built for cryptocurrency and launched today with the start of their token's pre-sale. So let me just click this real quick. Let's open a new link and we'll check that out next. But so they're pretty much trying to start their new type of money because their money is so inflated that it's pretty much worth nothing. It like their whatever they use to pay their stuff, like their dollars or whatever, like it's not worth anything. So this is kind of a way to rebuild their economy, put more value into it. And also it'll also be a good way to see how crypto is going to be used, to pay taxes, fees, and all that other stuff. The Petro's price will depend on the price of the barrel of the Venezuelan oil from the previous day, according to the government's website. The pre-sale, which was announced last month, launched Tuesday morning, as CoinDesk previously reported. Though more than 100 million Petros are expected to be released ultimately, initially only 82.4 million will be disbursed. The first digital currency to be issued by federal government, yet the initiative itself has a long attracted criticism, including both from lawmakers and inside and outside of the country. It was first unveiled by Venezuelan President Nicolas Maduro in early December. So I'm trying to look for the pre-sale website. Where can I get a pre-sale? Like, is this only for people in that country or is it for like everyone else? So I don't really know where their website is. Let's click this and see if it leads us there. Or let's look up, you know what? Petro ICO. Let's look up that. Petrol. I spelled that wrong. No, I spelled it right. Is this it? This might be it. Let's hope this is it. Okay, so this is actually it right here. So this is the website, I'm assuming. Yeah. So I don't know Spanish, but there's English button right here. So as you can see, it says the crypto asset of the Bolivarian Republic of Venezuela. So I kind of want to see how this goes too. Like, this might be a good idea, but I don't know. At least it's backed by something, it's backed by oil. So why Petro? During the last 4 years, Venezuela has experienced the biggest financial crisis in its history, a situation that has been resulting in a devaluation of the national currency, the bolivar. Oh, so they use the bolivar. So yeah, so their pretty much currency is so inflated that the bolivar is worth nothing. You can't get jack with it, apparently. Within the framework of the policies to strengthen monetary and sovereignty and promote welfare by bringing power closer to its citizens, the government of Bolivarian Republic of Venezuela has decided to embark on an ambitious project for the future and vision of the turning of the country into a blockchain-based solution development hub for emerging economies. So pretty much they're just saying that they're going to show the way. Like, they're going to be like the little test. And this is the first, like the article said earlier, this is the first government-issued crypto. So they also have a white paper here. They have this is the rate of what the Petro will be. So they got a roadmap here as well. The roadmap's pretty short. It's only 3 months. Like they should have probably had a longer one, huh? February, March, April. And we're already like what? At the end of February. So let's see what's next. Private sale of token Petro 1. Changes and adjustments to the Petro network. So this will be coming to exchanges in April, I'm guessing. And I might actually get in on this. Like let's see how we can get involved. Like I don't really know what this says, but I'm just gonna click this. So like I don't know exactly how you do this pre-sale. I'm gonna find out later, and I'll let you guys know if you guys are interested in it. But since I live in America or United States, I don't know if I can join this ICO because we're not allowed to be in ICOs because the government's so greedy. They want to keep all their money to themselves, so we won't be allowed to join ICOs. But it's based on the Ethereum network, so they're gonna be using ERC20 tokens, using smart contracts. I'm pretty sure that's what they said. So I'm not gonna read this whole article for you guys, but I'll definitely link it down below so you guys can read it if you guys want. But just know that the Venezuelans have made their own crypto called Petro. And I want to see how that goes because their government is so corrupted over there. So we'll see how crypto, like we'll see how much they own themselves because it's split it up. So I guess the only thing to do is wait, right? But thank you guys for watching. Remember to subscribe and let me know down below what you guys think about this new Petro coin. Is it a good idea? Like, is it something that like a lot of countries that are poor should hop on? Like, they should redo their economies like this, or what? Let me know down below and remember to subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.